in short form, or TLDR, overview of this TrackMinder project is that it's an application designed by myself initially as a capstone project of the DirectEd Development Foundation Bootcamp, as I had previously said, with an aim to solve a real-world issue of time management. So you can either sign up initially or log in initially, or if you want, you can go through the welcome page in general. And as you can see, we have a little feature here that helps you read about what the app is about. It helps you organize your tasks easily. And lastly, you can log in or create a new account. I already have an account personally, but I want to show you what happens if you're a new user. So let's sign up. And here we have a form which looks dark initially, but as I said, if you prefer light mode, you can change it through your system. That's because it's right, test 1. And there's some measures put in place if you don't enter any field. So let's try signing up. As you can see, you must provide a username. You get that specific error pop-up. So that also happens if you have an email, if you don't provide an email. So let's take a minute to see our user profile. Ta-da! That's our username. And you remember, we created an account using test, and it's also seen here, test@gmail.com. We also have a fun animation up top. Email is test1@gmail.com. Theme, where now, because you're a registered user, you can switch between light and dark. There we are. And we can deactivate your account temporarily by logging out, or permanently by signing out. If you delete it by signing out, you'll get a warning that this deletes all of your account's history, including your tasks and collections. If you proceed with OK, you'll get a form where you're supposed to verify your information, and the backend will check whether it's legitimate. Because we've already created the account initially, we don't need to. Let's go back to the homepage. Nice. So we can either add a collection or delete a group of collections, or all collections in general, provided by the footer. Let's try adding a collection, right? So we get a form here. And as you can see, the description is optional, as I had promised. So let's say you're an active member of a gym, right? So why not create a collection known as gym activities? There we are. And the description, if you would like to, or if you won't, maybe you can create one that has a description and one that doesn't. So maybe let's try for the gym, right? Once created, there we go. You'll actually get a message here that is created successfully, and behind that pop-up message, you'll see that it was created. Now, this in dark mode also has a different styling. So let's switch to dark because I happen to have a problem with light mode for some reason. Okay, there we are. As you can see here, we have the name and the timestamp. It was created less than a minute ago, which is actually accurate. And we have an option to either delete or we can update the said collection.